Want to tag someone in your Instagram story? It's quick and easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Start by opening Instagram on your mobile device. Then, tap the plus icon at the top left or swipe right on the home screen to create a new story. Choose a photo or video from your gallery, or take a new one using the camera. Once you've selected your media, tap the emoji icon at the top. From the options, select Mention and type the username of the person you want to tag. Instagram will suggest usernames as you type. Just tap the correct one from the list. When you're happy with your story, tap Your Story or Close Friends to share it. The tagged person will get a notification and can repost your story if they want. And that's it. Tagging people in Instagram stories is that simple. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one.